Hello guys and welcome back. Welcome to another live show. Okay, it is a continuation of the WSOT trading competition and we are here again today. Guys, market is very unstable right now. Okay, market is still very boring. BTC is still within that 61k and all of that. It's not going further. It's not, even jumping as much as expected and all of that. All right. Basically, we want to look at some of the trades I shared with you guys this morning. Okay, were you able to secure profit? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, some of those trades I shared with you, were you able to secure profit? If you did not secure profit when you should have, then guys, you may end up holding that trade until you hit either stop loss or break even. Okay, you may end up holding on to that trade until you hit either stop loss or break even. All right, or break even. Yeah. So let's look at what this is currently what BTC is doing. Okay, we are between that, it went up to around 61,200 and then it's back down again to 6,600. Okay, so if you didn't secure profit when you should have done that, I guess you're missing out on this. Okay, I guess you are missing out on this. I still feel that BTC will continue to actually dump even down to that 59k level. All right, but there seems to be a support here. Let's just see what happened right. Okay, let's just see what happened right here. I'm not getting that kind of vibes. All right, but guys, let's focus on meme coins. Okay, meme coins are the one doing greatly. All right, right now we have Silly topping, we have BABYDOGE. Okay, and then we have 𝗕𝗅𝗰𝗵𝗆𝗀𝗀 too. These are some of the trades, some of the tokens that are topping right now. Okay, some of these meme coins are doing great. I think we should focus more on meme coins. Let's look at Silly and see what we can achieve with Silly and see if we can get a trade either to the upside or to the downside for this. But yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that. So definitely this one is following BTC too. Okay, so it did went up to around 0.19 and then right now it just keep dumping. This is on the 1 hour time frame, guys. It just keep dumping massively. Okay, is it the CPI report that is actually affecting the market right now? What's the result again on CPI? I think it came out lower than expected, or was it higher than expected? Yes, it is lower than expected actually. Yeah, the CPI report came out lower than expected. Guys, as always, smash the like button, and if there are any tokens you want me to look at, okay, put them on the comment section. I'll just go ahead and look at it for you. Okay, but before then, guys, the WSOT competition is still ongoing. Okay, the WSOT competition is still ongoing, and if you are not a part of my squad, let me just open up that. Okay, I think I have the link in the video description. So if you go to the description of this video, all right, if you go to the description of this video, what you want to do is to click on show more, and then the first link here will be to join my squad. Okay, it will be to join my squad. And if you are not on Telegram, please use the link here. All right, the third link here to join us on Telegram and all of that. The Bybit WSOT competition is the biggest, okay, the biggest trade competition in the crypto space. And this is an annual event, okay? It is an annual event. And this time around, we have $10 million stake for this, right? We have $10 million stake for this. So I currently have 58 persons on my team. So you too want to be a part of this, all right? You too want to be a part of this. And all you need to be able to qualify for result in order to share in this $10 million that Bybit is giving out is just to do 50,000 in trading volume. All right, do a minimum of 50,000 in trading volume and you are good to go. Okay, so go ahead, join us using the link in the video description there. Click there and join my squad, guys. We are growing and we'll continue to grow. So go ahead and join my squad and let's get it rolling. Okay, let's get it rolling. If for any reason you join the squad and you don't see mine pop up, okay, all you just need to join the squad showdown here. If you scroll down to the join a squad option here, you probably have the option to search. Okay, so you can search for Team Digital right here. All right, Team Digital, and you should be able to see me pop up right there. Okay, that's me. You can just, that's the squad I've created for us, pop up there, and you can go ahead and just click on join and you're good to go. Then we can start rocking it together, right? We can start rocking these things together. Okay, so any of the tokens you want me to look at, just put them on the comment section and I'll go ahead and read and bring them up for you. Okay, for Silly right now, Okay, I would love to go short, but I will have to just wait for maybe a pullback to that Fibonacci level right there. Okay, I'll wait for a pullback to that fifth level right there, and then we can go ahead and take a trade. For now, I'm not doing anything. I'm not either shorting or longing. Let's just wait for this to play out. All right, another one I saw on the page there is BABYDOGE. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at BABYDOGE and see what we can achieve with BABYDOGE. Okay, do me a favor, guys, smash that like button. Right, smash the like button. Let's get it rolling. Smash that like button, okay, and if possible, share. Right, okay. So BABYDOGE just decided to bounce from here. Yeah, BABYDOGE. I've been actually trading BABYDOGE for a while now. That's why you see a whole lot of these areas right here. Okay, so let me just clear this chart so that I'll be able to see clearly. Yeah, so a whole lot of these things right here. So BABYDOGE is ready for a move to the upside. All right, BABYDOGE is ready for a move to the upside, guys. BABYDOGE is ready for a move to the upside, and basically we are currently okay at this level. We need to break above that level for us to, continue to ride up. Okay, we need to break above this level here for us to continue to ride up. So here on today's candle, we just have to wait for it. I'm going to be looking for longs, okay, but there have to be a pullback too. Right, you see this move we just created right here. There have to be a pullback, and maybe to that previous day high. Okay, if there is a pullback to that previous day high, that could be yes. So that could be a good area to be looking for a trade to the upside. So if there is a pullback to this previous day high right here, somewhere around that 0.014, okay, we could actually be looking for trades from here to the upside. Right, with that 5% risk right there, we could be looking for a trace from here to the upside, or we can actually wait for a pullback to this Fibonacci 2 here, okay, this golden level right here, and then we can be buying from there to the upside. All right, so that's basically what I'm looking at for BABYDOGE. So I'll be setting a limit order for this while looking. I could actually use the BABY scale order for this. Okay, I could actually use the BABY scale order for this. So let's see if I extend my stop loss down there. That's a big, high. All right. Yes, I can actually do that and use the BABY scale order to scale to average my entry. Okay. Since I'm looking at long-term stuff, so I can use the scale order to, gradually DC into this position and see how I can build this position up there. All right. I can gradually use that and see how I can build it up there. That's what I'm looking at for BABYDOGE. Yeah, Gabriel, is nice to have you here. Good afternoon. How do you choose your coins to trade and analyze? You can see what I'm doing, okay? You can see what I'm doing. I basically trade with Bybit, so I go to Bybit and then I go to, if I'm trading spot, to the spot option, okay? If I'm trading derivatives, futures, I go to the derivatives option, and then I look at from top gainers to top losers. That's basically how I choose my coin. Aside the preferred coins, okay? I already have a watch list. I have some of the preferred coins that I trade. Some coins that are very volatile, some that are non-volatile, okay? BTC, Ethereum included. Aside those ones, if I'm just looking for random trades or random tokens to trade on, okay? I come in here and first I want to look at the beginners, okay? So we have Silly, we have BABYDOGE, we have PEPE, and then I want to go ahead and shuffle this, okay? I'm on the perpetual option once again. Shuffle this. These are the gainers. Okay, I can look at all the top gainers here. All right, Tommy 2 is coming up. Dog, okay, Dog is coming up. We have NEIRO each, and then we have ORN that I shared with you guys this morning. ORN, though it has not been moving as predicted, but as expected actually, but it's fine. Okay, so these are it, and then I want to equally go to the losers. All right, so we have Saga down by 16%. Okay, we have Mundane, okay, down by 15%, which is an actual opportunity, right? Mundane is one of those meme coins that I want to equally start accumulating as well. Then OG, okay, we have XR. These are all the tokens that have been down in the past APT, in the past 24 hours, okay? These are all of the tokens. Sun that was doing well, very well yesterday. Sun is down by 8%, right? Guys, this is what you want to be taking advantage of. So that's basically how I sort out the tokens that I trade on. Okay, and if I come in here to TradingView and I bring in any token here that I've seen, let's say, which one have I not traded here? Which one? Yes, BNS that was pumping now is down by 7%. Let me look for just one random token and all of that and show you something. Yeah, mundane. Let's even look at that mundane of a thing and see. Look for new entries for mundane. Okay. Yeah, mundane. We do buy beats, and let me start from the daily time frame. Look at that, guys. Okay, so we had a leg up. Okay, we had this leg up, this particular one up there. So a day before, we actually had like that 40% move to the upside, and then we had yesterday. Okay, that's 30% down and all of that. So for mundane, I'm actually looking to buy, right? You see that it has done very well. I'm looking to buy. I don't want mundane to go below this area right here, guys. Okay, I don't want this token to go below this zone right here. So anywhere around here, this area, I'll be buying this token back to the upside. Okay, anywhere around that area, I'll be buying this token to the upside. So let's see what happens with mundane. Just keep an eye on it. I'm not saying enter any trade right now. Okay, there's no entry yet. We'll be looking to get a setup if everything plays out. I don't want this thing to go below. Okay, yeah, it shouldn't do more than 10%, and then we can start looking for longs for this trade. That's basically what I do, right? But on the spot buy, because I'm actually looking at accumulating this token, I can start buying from now, right, by just descending into this position, or possibly I can use 2x, 3x leverage and start accumulating this token. All right. So if I've decided to buy this token $100, basically what I do is very simple, right? I'll just wait for this. Let's say I just set up a trade right here. Okay, I'll go to Bybit, use the scale order, right, to start buying this thing. Maybe we're targeting that stop up there. Then we'll put our stop loss around that, which is around, stop loss around 20-something%. So what I basically do is to use a scale order, all right, to start buying this thing gradually. As it continues to go, I can use 2-3x leverage. As it continues to go down, I'll continue to buy. And once it start bouncing up, I'm in profit. And it's as simple as that, right? It's as simple as that. So that's basically what I do every day. Gabriel, I hope that is clear. All right. Now, if you love just the explanation and the tips I've given you right now, smash the like button, right? Smash the like button. Any DeFi protocol. Do you have anyone in mind, Satoshi? Do you have anyone in mind? Okay. Do you have anyone in mind? Let us know. Spot, derivatives, and futures, do they give the same profit, and what is? Please, if you want to learn how to trade, okay. If you want to learn how to trade, there's a guide here we have put together for you. You can actually come and learn how to trade. Okay, the link to get that course will be in the video description. So you see the trade. Where is that link again? Learn to trade. Learn how to trade. Okay, you see the link there. You click on it, and it will bring you here. And then you can make payment for this course, and you are good to go. All right. So this question on whether spot, derivative, which one have you been trading? Do they give the same profit? Okay. Do they give the same profit? All right. And just to answer your question, they don't give the same profit. Okay. They are all different things. And moreover, you are talking of the same profit. Do you all trade them with the same amount? If I enter a particular trade, let's say I go to spot and I buy a particular token worth $1,000. All right. And then you come to spot and you buy a particular token worth $20. Are we going to get the same profit? So that question, I really don't understand it, but you don't get the same profit in anyways, okay? I don't know what you mean by get the same profit. Also, what about layer 2 base? Any of the tokens you want me to look at, okay, just recommend them, type them on the comment section. Mine is to look at the chart and then tell you whether you should be buying or you should be selling. All right, back to business, guys, back to business. So I'm going with the gainers. Yeah, BTC, what's going on, BTC? BTC is really dumpy, guys. Okay. What's going on, BTC? 6,500. That's serious. That's serious. All right. So let me see. Okay, I have this Peng USDT that is pumping up. So keep an eye on this thing. All right, I'll be buying this one using yeah, I'll be buying this one even from the current price right here. Okay, so I'll set a limit order for mundane. Keep an eye on it too. And then let's look at PENG USDT. I don't know what that token is all about, but it is, yeah, it's acting up right now. Okay, it just showed up. It just showed up. Yeah, look at that 1 hour move up there. And let me see PENG. Okay, guys, I'll be looking for PENG and buying PENG. All right, so I will be buying PENG. Let me look at that 30 minutes. Buying PENG. Okay, PENG. Let's do 15 minutes. So just wait for that pullback, right? Let me see. I'm waiting for that, but let me see from here. Okay. That's 8% down there. 8%. Just wait for PENG, okay? I'll wait for PENG to come back down to that fib level. That's where I'll be buying my PENG, all right? But it just decided to bounce off from this level right here, yeah, from the support and just resistance. That's where we're bouncing off from. We can actually start buying from that resistance level right there, okay? So we can actually start buying from there with a stop loss. We need that low there, okay? We can make that stop loss 8% and see what happens, right? But I'll just wait for that fib level to come play out, okay? So I'll just wait for that fib level to play out and I'll be buying from there. That's basically what I'm looking at for the PENG stuff. So I'm looking to buy. You can do market order if you want to, and then gradually add to your position, all right? So basically you go to buy bid, use the scale order, and you start adding to your position going forward, all right? So that's the setup I'm looking at for PENG. Keep an eye on it. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. I'll be buying. Let me see if I can even do market order right now for a quick scalp and see if we can get, 2-3% on this thing. So setting limit order for PENG. All right. Let me do market order. Okay, just did market order for PENG. So I'll be looking to TP at that 1566. Okay, so let's do 1566, and then stop loss should be around that 12993. And then I'll use scale order to add up to that position. Let's see what happens. Okay. Sorry. All right, PENG is moving. Yeah, let's see. But if it comes back down, I'm adding to my position. Okay, if PENG's or whatever this comes back, okay, if it pushes back down to that fib level there, I'm adding to my position. Okay, use the BABYDOGE scale order to set up that. All right, I'm adding to my position if it comes back down to that level. All right, so I will be adding to my position. Let's see how that goes, guys. Okay. Yeah, PENG, I'm buying PENG. Okay, so you can go ahead and enter a trade for that. Yeah, hey James, how are you? Not not coin. I say you love not coin very well, James. Okay, keep an eye on this thing, guys. I did market order and I've set limit, okay, to add to my position if it comes back down there, right? I will update you guys on Telegram about the progress so far, but that's basically it. So let's look at NOT USDT, NOT coin. Let me see. Whoa. This thing is. So this setup is no longer valid. Sorry, my chat is very messy, but yeah, I've actually been buying NOTs on spot. So for NOT coin is still very, very bearish, right? I think it's an opportunity for you to start buying actually if you want to, right? NOT coin is still very much bearish, so I wouldn't want NOT coin. Let's see that we hold that area. Okay, let's see that NOT coin holds that area. Currently, we are at the previous day low. Yeah, the lowest we went to yesterday. So wait for the close of this 4 hours candle, guys. Okay, NOT coin is at a good buy zone. You can even start buying right now if you want to. You can start buying NOT coin right now. And if you want to do scale order, right? Put stop loss, just guys, you can start buying NOT coin. Okay, I've already started buying NOT coin already. Okay, I've started buying NOT coin already. Let's do maybe like a 5% stop loss. Okay, and then you can use 2-3x leverage if you want to really hold this for long. Okay, 2-3x leverage, you can use it to hold this thing for long, or use the Bybit scale order to gradually be adding to your position from here. All right, start buying NOT coin. That's basically what I'm looking at, but you can actually wait until you see a bullish sign that this thing is going up, and you can start buying, because initially I was looking at this falling wedge here, which we broke out here, but the market didn't go as expected, right? So you have to reject here, and then we are creating this pattern right here. So let's just wait and see how this thing will play out. Okay, let's just wait and see how this thing will play out, guys. So keep an eye on that stuff, and let's get it rolling, guys. Okay, let's get that rolling. That's basically what I'm looking at, Edu. That's what I'm looking at for the NOT coin. Let's see how that will go. Good day, boss. I just transferred my KYC today. I hope I can trade this. Yes, you can. All right, you can. Once you have funds on your account, okay. Once you have funds on your account, yes, you can trade it. Okay, you can enter any of these trades, and you can fund your account, I guess, so you can trade and start. You can take the trades. Okay. What news today, boss? Is CPI, okay? CPI news. CPI news is what we had today. The US CPI news. Okay, I think it came out lower than expected, right? It came out lower than expected. So, yeah, or higher than. Was it lower? I think it's lower than expected. Okay. Which app should I make use of for trading? Bybit. Okay, Bybit. All right, guys. Once again, for those of you who are just joining. All right, for those of you who are just joining, please go to the description of this video, right? You see the link to sign up for Bybit account will be here. All right, so sign up, download this app. Once you sign up for an account, click on this link, create an account. Once you sign up, okay, and then if you are downloading the app, you can use where it says referral, put digital there, and you're good to go. Okay, you get all the welcome bonus. So sign up for a Bybit account, and for those of you who have Bybit accounts already, please, I beg you, go join my squad. Okay, the WSOT trading competition is the biggest in the industry, the biggest trading competition, and it is an annual event organized by Bybit. Okay, so you can be a part of this, all right, by joining my squad right now. Okay, join my squad with and stand a chance to share in this $10 million that Bybit is giving out. Okay, and then you can equally be opportune to go home with a Rolex watch. There's a travel ticket, all expense paid, and all of that. All right, a whole lot of things you start to gain right there, and all you need is 250,000 in trading volume. So join us every day, trade every day with us, and you are good to go. Once again, the link to join my squad will be in the video description. The link to sign up on Bybit is right here. Okay, so for you who is asking what app you need for trading, if it is crypto, go and sign up. Okay, Michael, go and get the Bybit app and then start trading. What platform can we trade as futures trading? It's Bybit, okay? It's Bybit. All right, everything we do here is Bybit. And Yamide, okay, go and use Bybit. Go and use Bybit, and you're good to go. All right, go and use Bybit and you are good to go. All right, let me go back to that pen trade and see how it's going for me. Okay, I will still be looking at more trades for you guys. Okay, I will still be looking at more trades for you and all of that. So keep an eye on this thing. All right, so I said if it comes back down, I'll be adding more to my position and I'm ready to do that. Okay, so keep an eye on this thing. While that is going, let's look at BABYDOGE again. BABYDOGE, and be looking for entries. Okay, yeah, BABYDOGE is shooting up there. The pullback didn't happen the way I expected, but keep an eye on that stock too. I'll be buying BABYDOGE once we come back down to that level that I'm looking at. Okay, I'll be buying BABYDOGE once we come back down there. So let's look at REEF USDT. Let me know any token you want me to look at for you. Put them on the comment section. I will look at them for you right away. Any of the tokens you want me to look at, put them on the comment section and I'll do that right away, guys. Okay, so REEF, keep going up and up. Okay, yeah, REEF, let me see 1 hour what we can be looking for on REEF. All right, currently REEF is just consolidating. So for as long as we don't go below this 0.0061, for as long as we don't go below that level, I'll be looking for long, but not at the moment. Okay, let's see what BTC does. BTC is still selling. BTC is still selling off. Yeah, BTC is still selling. BTC is still selling. Right, but for as long as BTC doesn't go below this area, right, there's a support around this 6,400 level. For as long as we don't go below that area, that's why I had my other move that actually hit full TP, right? I was buying BTC right here, and then eventually it moves, and then we got up there before we started pulling back down here, right? So I'm hoping that BTC will equally reject from here to the upside. So keep an eye on BTC, guys. Anything around that 60K level and all of that, you start buying BTC. All right. So keep an eye on BTC. We can do 1% stop loss right there in case that swings, or we can do 2% anyways, right? Depends, or 1.5. Right. That's basically what I'm looking at for BTC too. So keep an eye on this thing. Let's see how it plays out. For as long as we hold this level, we are good to go. Okay. For as long as we hold that level for BTC, we are good to go. All right. So good afternoon, boss. Please, will you make a recording on this so we can? Yes, it's on YouTube. Okay, you can always go trade. All right, you can always go trade. I'll post the link right after now on Telegram so that you can go trade again and again and again. All right. So do you have a community on Binance? Do I need to create a community separately? Right? And you want me, Taufik, do you want me to create separate communities, Binance, Bybit, and all of that? Just use the link in the video description and join us, right? Whatever we teach you here and all of that applies to every other platform. Okay? So even if you want to get a Binance account, there is equally a link in the video description too, right? You can sign up for a Binance account using that link in the video description. So just join us on Telegram using the link in the video description. Get a Bybit account. Okay, I recommend Bybit when it comes to trading features and all of that. So get a Bybit account and join us. All right, get a Bybit account, and most importantly, guys, join the WSOT competition. Okay, join the WSOT competition. Don't miss out. All right, don't miss out. You could be going home with a whole lot of goodies. You could be the lucky person going home with either the travel ticket, the yacht, I think Rolex watch, or even sharing part of those $10 million, okay, that Bybit is giving up, right? As gold and crude oil. Ayomide, I don't understand. What is gold and crude oil? You want me to look at gold and crude oil? Good day, boss. Yeah, how are you doing, Ayo? Which platform can I find gold and crude oil as futures trading? Go to Binance, okay? Go to Binance. On Binance, you can trade futures on Binance as well. Right, go to the Binance exchange, and link to is in the video. Everything you need is in the video description. Okay, look at the link here to sign up for a Binance account. So go and use that link, sign up for Binance. On Binance, you can trade, forex, commodities, indices, and all of that. So yes, you can go to Binance, and you just need to fund your Binance account with USDT and set up your leverage and start trading. It's as simple as that. All right, so please look at yes, I've forgotten that trade. Yeah, I've forgotten that trade. Let's look at USDT. I was actually doing very well, but eventually BTC is happening to it too. Okay, BTC is happening to it too, but we are still up there, right? We are still at that entry level. I'm still holding on to it. I don't know if you are still holding. That is for Chinazar, right? Chinazar, I don't know if you are still holding on to the trade. We are still up there, right? We are still up there. If you are not in the trade already, we are back to entry level. So I'm still holding on to that trade. We actually moved up to around that level that I was giving us profit, but eventually what BTC is doing right now is happening to the market, which is why we're back down there. Okay, so I'm still holding on to this one. So hold on to it and see how it goes. Okay, hold on to it and let's see how it goes. All right. Yeah, hold on to it and see how it goes. If you're not in the trade already, we're still at entry level, so you can still enter the trade. Okay, can you please explain briefly how to do futures trading on Bybit and the minimum amount you can trade with? Okay, Clayton, all right. There are a whole lot of videos on my channel, okay, that teaches you all these things, right? But this is it, all right? Let's say I come in here, I want to trade futures, okay? I'll go to the derivative. I'm using the mobile, the web version to explain this. But when you go to the app, once you click on trade, okay, at the top you will see spot and then you see futures. So you want to go and click on the futures option. All right. So once I come in here to derivatives, I want to go to USDT perpetual. What it simply means is that I need to have USDT to buy any asset, okay, to buy or sell any crypto asset that I want to sell or I want to buy and sell. All right, so you go to this one. Then if it is the USDC option, you will need to have USDC as your stable coin, not USDT. All right, then the inverse option, it means I want to use my BTC or my Ethereum to buy and sell. Then you can do the inverse option, right? So we go to USDT perpetual, and then you can click on any of these pairs here. Let's say we'll go with BTC. All right, that will open up the trading interface for us. The same thing I'm explaining here is self-explanatory if you are using the Bybit app. All right, so once this open up, this is the chart. Okay, so we can look at the chart. This is for BTC. BTC is dumping and all of that. Now, technical aspect of it is that you need to know, be able to read the candlesticks here. You'll be able to interpret what the chart is saying. Okay, and all of that. Then we have all of these other books here. And this is where the activities happen, right? So I've already selected the token I want to trade. Now, the next thing is on BTC, do I want to trade on isolated margin or cross margin? If I go ahead and click on this, I have the option to do cross, I have the option to do isolated. If I do cross, I'm risking the entire amount of money I have on my derivatives account or my derivative wallet. Okay, so if I have $1,000 there and I decide to enter a trade with just $100, if for any reason, if I don't get liquidated, if I don't use stop loss and I get liquidated, I will lose the entire money. That is what cross margin simply means. But on isolated, just as the name implied, I'm only isolating that money I enter with. Let's say I have $1,000 in my derivative wallet and I enter a trade with $100 and I refuse to use stop loss. If I get liquidated, it is only that $100 I will lose. Why on cross, you will lose the entire money. Okay, why cross will allow you to stay in the market longer. This one will just take you out immediately. That particular money you enter the trade with is exhausted. All right, so that is basically, we'll leave it on isolated. The next thing is we have limit, we have market, we have conditional. And when you go over this, you have different limit orders. I've explained all these things, okay? Some of these limit orders, these other types on my channel. So go to the channel and then you get all those details right there, okay? Now, let's say we are doing limit order, okay? We want to buy BTC from, let's say 60,000, okay? So we'll go ahead and type in here 60K. Okay, and then the quantity we want to trade. How much do you want to trade? How much quantity do you want to trade? I'm doing this on limit. Limit means that I can set my own price. So when BTC goes down to that level, then I'll be able to sell, right? Now you can use this slider to choose 5%, 2%, 3%, 10%, or 100% of whatever capital you have. All right. If, for instance, the total amount of money you have on your Bybit derivative account is $100, and you decide to use 10% here, It means that when you open a trade, it will cost you $10 to open that trade. So if the trade starts going in your favor, if it goes by 100%, you're making 100% of that $10. If it goes by 50%, you're making 50% of that $10 and all of that, okay? So this is where you use this slider of that quantity. And then after that, you will see what it will cost you, okay? This time around, the cost in USDT will be what it will cost you. And then the cost in value will be how much of the BTC or any of the token that you're buying, right? Now, the leverage here that I'm using is 20x leverage. You can actually click on it and use any of this leverage, okay? Let's say we can go to 100x leverage. You can click on that and then click on confirm. The higher the leverage, the quicker you get taken out of the market. The lower the leverage, the longer you can stay in the market. Do you understand? All right. After that, you can now decide to open long or open short. Okay. Now, before you open long or short, this price here must tally with whatsoever you have decided to do, most especially when it is limit order. If it is market, you don't even need to put, if I click on the market option, I don't need to put entry price. Okay, I just go ahead and use a slider, say I want to use 10% of my capital, and then I come in here and open buy long or sell short. It's as simple as that. You open your trade and all of your trades will be displayed right here. And from here, you can start managing it. A step-by-step video that teaches you everything on Bybit on my channel. All right, so make sure that you look at that. The latest explanation I've given, all right, for Clayton, the latest explanation, I hope is clear. I hope you understand. Join us on Telegram. We do have live section there every day. You'll be able to learn a lot from there. Okay, you'll be able to learn a lot from there. But before then, make sure that you go to the description of this video. Use either the first or second link here to sign up for a Bybit account. Do your KYC and join us. If you already have a Bybit account, why not do KYC transfer and join us every day? Okay, I do provide signals there. Your own is just to enter the trades and all of that. All right, this was the one I, and then it was in profit. Eventually, it came back down, but we're still holding. All right, I will always be providing you guys with signals to trade and compete for the ongoing Bybit competition and start winning trades for yourself. All right, yes, I'm still holding. Okay, thank you so much, Chinaza. Keep holding. Okay, I believe it will not hit our stop loss. Definitely, we'll make money before the close of today. Okay, can you analyze OMNI? Okay, Omni, right? Okay, let me quickly look at that. Let me quickly look at that for Hope. Okay, so we look at O. Is it N? Is NM? Sorry, MNI USDT. Yeah. Okay. So let's look at that right now. Let me do daily. Okay, it's still bearish. All right, so we do have this Fibonacci 2 level right here. This is my golden level. Okay, so wait and see how this thing will react right here. Okay, wait and see how this thing will react right here. So basically, you'll be looking for buy. Okay, you'll be looking for a buy trade going forward. So we have that support right there. So if I go back to the daily time frame, just wait for that, signal to buy, and you'll be buying. But I'll be looking at buying from that $7.7 or $7.8 rather. Okay, $7.8 is around that Fibonacci 2. Okay, that's basically what I'll be looking at for the Omni trade. Okay, and then we can target this high even up to that high right there, and then do like a 5% or 6% stop loss. Okay, so that's what I'll be looking at for this particular trade. All right, that's basically what I'll be looking at for that particular token. For Hope, I hope that is helpful. Okay, yes, Ayomide. What of SUI? Yes, let's look at SUI. If I'm still looking at, actually set a limit order to buy SUI at 1.7, right? 1.7, that's where I'm looking to buy SUI. But I do have this my Fibonacci level at 1.6. Okay, so SUI is still selling up. I'm looking for buy, not sell. Okay, I'm looking for an opportunity to buy SUI and not to sell. So I don't know what you're looking at, but right now SUI is still down there. So if you want to sell SUI, fine, you can go ahead and do that. But I'm looking for buying opportunity. So anything between 1.7 down to 1.6, which is why I have my 382 level. That's what I'll be looking at on the SUI trade. So I'll be looking to buy from there to the upside Okay, so I'll be looking to buy SUI. I just hope that it bounce from here, and then we'll continue to push up there. All right, that's basically what I am looking at for SUI. Okay, thank you. You're welcome, Clayton. My previous balance is not yet transferred. Yes, if you just did a KYC transfer, okay, your previous balance will only be transferred after 24 hours. So let's say you did it this morning or this afternoon, try again, try to do the transfer tomorrow. All right, that means you cannot take any trade right now. So until you do that transfer tomorrow, you should be able to take some trades. Okay, you should be able to take some trades. Please, sir, what do you mean by transfer KYC? You have a Bybit account already. You cannot create two Bybit accounts. Okay. What you can do is to create a Bybit account with my link. All right, by going to the description of this video. Now, since you cannot create two Bybit accounts, definitely you will need a verified Bybit account before you can start trading, right? So what you want to do is to go ahead and now transfer that KYC that you've done already in that former Bybit account to the new Bybit account. All right, that way you'll be able to get access to some benefits, all right, that comes with me being a partner with Bybit. Okay, as a partner with Bybit, there are a whole lot of benefits you stand to gain. If, for instance, I click on this link here, it will take you to, I'm already logged into a Bybit account. That is, if it doesn't redirect me, okay, it will take you to this sign up page, and on that sign up page you can see some of the benefits you stand to gain. You can actually get up to 30,000 in as welcome bonus depending on the amount of money you deposit. Okay, so it's redirecting me back because I'm already logged in. All right, and all of that. So that way you have access to special bonuses, special benefits and all of that. So that's basically it. And you do that by doing KYC transfer. So if you go ahead and type in KYC transfer, right? That's Bybit KYC transfer rather. Okay, let's just do Bybit KYC transfer. So you should be able to see a video. All right, this video ranking, the first one here, you should be able to see that video on how to do your KYC transfer, and you are good to go. Okay, so that's basically it. All right, that's basically it on how to do all of that. I hope that is helpful. Okay, boss should start trading on Bybit. Sorry, Michael, I don't understand your question. If you want to start trading on Bybit, you're welcome. Okay, go to the description of the video and sign up for a Bybit account, and you're welcome to start trading with us. Okay, so that's basically what I'm looking at. So let's go back to Peng again, and Peng. Let me go to that 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, so Peng is still going in our favor. Yeah, Peng is still going in our favor. I will update you guys. Okay, I'll update you guys on Telegram. Yeah, I'll update you guys on Telegram. Peng is still going in our favor, and so he just took one of my trades there, so and it's going in my favor right now. I'll update you guys about this on Telegram. And as for LAI, okay, LAI, let's keep holding. And some other trades, ALT2, I'm still holding, and the ORN2, okay, though, let's see, just all of a sudden decided to start dumping and all of that. Yeah, this one too. The stop loss I set for myself, it has not gotten there yet, so keep holding that one. And then lastly, okay, let's look at core and give you some setups where you can start looking, for trades on core. Let me do the daily time frame and let's see what we can achieve right here. So this, yeah, core is at that level where you can actually start buying, right? Core is at that level where you can start buying right now. Okay, so if you want to accumulate some core, you are good to go, right? You can start buying core at the level where we are right now. Okay, you can start buying core at the level where we are right now. So yeah, if you want to buy core, accumulate core, and let your target be maybe around that $3, $4, $5, $7 or so. Okay, yeah, $3, $4, $5, $7 or so. So start accumulating core, if you believe in the project, okay, start accumulating core right now. And yeah, or alternatively, this is on the weekly time frame. Okay, you can actually wait for a breakout of that trend line and stuff like that. Okay, if you want to wait for a breakout of that trend line before you start buying, you can equally do that. Okay, you can equally do that as well. So start buying core at the current price anyway. You can start buying at the current price if you so wish. Okay, you can start buying at the current price if you so wish, right? Or once a breakout of this trend, remember I drew that from the weekly time frame. Once it happens, you can start buying up there. Okay, you can start buying up there, but core right now is good for entries. Okay, so what I would do is to use a 3x leverage and start accumulating core. Okay, use a 3x leverage and start accumulating core, and let's see how that will go for us. Okay, if I am succeeding putting in 100, 200 in this, eventually when it bounces, we start making profit for ourselves. All right, that's basically it for today, guys. Thank you so much for your time. I do appreciate, okay, your time right here. Smash the like button, all right? And the discussion will continue on Telegram. I'll see you guys tomorrow during the live show, okay? All right. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye, everyone.